In this video I'm going to show you how to download, install and play F1 Manager 2024 on your PC. So if you buy games at Steam it can get really expensive, especially the latest ones. Plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses and nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to find this great game without overspending and keeping your PC safe. Before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Once you have done that, go to your Google search bar and then search for Steam. We need to locate this game on Steam first before we can proceed to the next steps. So go to Steam. After that, go to the search bar and search for F1 Manager 2024. As you can see, this game is quite expensive. €34.99, but I got a workaround for you and you will be playing this game very soon. So follow my steps, go to the link in the description of this video. So I have added it in the video description, click on that, and once you did that you will be redirected to this website and there we will search for the F1 Manager 2024. Now what we will do next, select games on the left side. After that select price lowest first. And now you will find the same game for just €2.26. So that is crazy, right? What we need to do next is go to Epic Games. We need to go to Google again, search for Epic Games. And once you have done that, you will find the website of Epic Games. Now what you need to do is download the Epic Games launcher. And once you have done that, go back to this website, purchase this game for just €2.26 instead of €35. And once you have done that, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow to download this game through Epic Games on your PC, and you will start playing it today. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out the link in the description and we hope you enjoy playing this game. Thank you for watching.